I'm going to announce the winner for the Target giveaway. The winner needs to tell me which two yarns, the skeins of yarn that you preferred. There's 3 of them, and I gave the names for them. If you don't have a preference, I'll just send out any 2. But if you do, rewatch the video. I'll list that down below in the description. Also, give me your email after you send me send me your information, your address. My email is listed down below, and then I can send that out as soon as possible. Thank you everybody for watching the video as well as participating. I will be doing more giveaways in the future, so look out for those. And make sure you're a subscriber. And if you haven't already, join my Facebook group and page. It's a new page and group. And let's see who the winner is. So it's Tammy, looks like Bogman, which I may be saying that wrong, sorry. I need to find a target. LOL. Thank you for the review and giveaway. Okay, congratulations. Please contact me. My email is listed down below, and give me your address so I can send this out as soon as possible.